How to fix always on display not working in Samsung Galaxy A36. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on display, and then scroll down in last, and here you can see the option always on display. Now here you can turn on your always on display. If you turn it off, then turn it on. After turn on your always on display, then go back and open sounds and vibration and scroll down, and here you can see the option do not disturb. Now click on do not disturb. If you turn on your do not disturb, then turn it off. After turn off your do not disturb, then go back and click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, then go back and click on general management and then click on reset. Now here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it and then click on reset settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.